Hi, Mr. Ankert here, and I'm reviewing Khan Academy's recursive formulas for geometric sequences. So we're going to complete the recursive formula of the geometric sequence negative 0.1, negative 0.5, negative 2.5, and negative 12.5. So my first step is I'm going to enter the first number in the sequence, which is negative 0.1. My next step is to figure out what the previous number, that's this c with the parentheses n minus 1, that represents the previous number, is going to be multiplied by to get the next number. That's the c to the n. It's basically the nth term in the sequence. To figure out what number I have to multiply the previous number by to get the next number, I'm going to divide the second number by the first number. So I'm going to take my handy calculator here, and I'm going to divide negative 0.5 by negative 0.1. And I can see I'm multiplying the previous number by 5 to get the next number. So I'm multiplying the previous number, that's the c n minus 1, by 5 to get the next number, c of n. Let's check. Look at that, energy points. Today's a good day. Let's move on to the next one. All right. It says complete the recursive formula of the geometric sequence 16, 3.2, 0.64, 0.128. So again, I'm going to start with the first number in the series, 16. To figure out what number I have to multiply the previous number to get the next number, I'm going to divide the second number by the first number. So I'm going to divide 3.2 by 16. And I'm going to get 0.2. So I'm multiplying by 0.2 every time. I'm going to check my work. And look at that, more energy points. Soon I'll be able to upgrade my avatar. Let's look at the next one. This time, our recursive formula, we have negative 1.5, 6, negative 24, and 96. And you notice each time you're alternating between a negative and a positive number, meaning that we're going to be multiplying by a negative number down here. But let's not get ahead of myself. So I'm going to start with the first number in the sequence, negative 1.5. To figure out what I need to multiply negative 1.5 by to get 6, I'm going to divide 6 by negative 1.5. I'm going to do it with this handy calculator. So I do 6 divided by negative 1.5. And I'm going to get negative 4. So each time I'm multiplying the previous number by negative 4 to get the next one. We can confirm, if we look, 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. Negative 24 times negative 4 is positive 96. So we're going to put negative 4 in here. We're going to check it. Great. We're almost there. One more. Okay. So we're looking at this geometric sequence. We're going to start with the first number. The first number is negative 0.3. Always start with the first number. And then we have to figure out what we need to multiply negative 0.3 by to get 0.9. And again, it's going to be a negative number. But to figure that out, we're going to divide the second number by the first number. So we're going to divide 0.9 by negative 0.3. Oh, and I divided it by 3. So let me do that again. Negative 0.9, rather, divided by negative 0.3. And I'm going to get, sorry, it was positive 0.9. My bad. Positive 0.9 divided by negative 0.3. Okay, so I have to multiply by negative 3 each time. Now, I really don't need the calculator to do this. Just showing you how you can use the tool on Khan. But be careful when you're entering it in. If you don't enter a point or you forget a negative, you could get the wrong result. And since I know what the right answer is, I knew I was making a mistake. That's where a good number sense comes in. So it's always important to practice your arithmetic, but I'm getting off on a side tangent there. Okay. Anyways, the main point here is to find the recursive formula for your geometric sequence. You find the first term, and then you find the number that you multiply the previous term by to get the next term. That's all there is to this assignment. If you have any questions, leave comments in the comments below. Otherwise, enjoy and have a great day.